Hello everybody, I'm SolarSeal, and this video will show you how to make traffic lights in Fortnite Creative. Alright, so you're going to start with these three pieces from the Primitive Shapes gallery and make your own custom build, whatever. Mine looks like this. I resized everything, of course. It's easier to see. One thing you do need to make sure is that your circles that I put in the center are white, because they will help show the actual light color better than black will, or whatever other color you're using. So yeah, just make sure that's white. And yeah, so when you're doing this, you need two different sets. So I have two different sets. I have one that has red and one that has green shown. Those are the two different sets. So on the first set, you're going to start with these settings for the first one. So main settings you want to focus on are red, or the color, and the channels, like light type, light size. That stuff will be the same pretty much on every single one. So yeah, just make sure you change channels and color. So I'm just going to be going down the line so you can see each one for red, yellow, and green. Both this one is yellow, and I'll stop talking and you guys can see what the settings are. Alright, so these next three settings will be for the second set, so just keep in mind that this is a different traffic light. So now we'll move on to the triggers. There will be 6 triggers, just like there are 6 customizable lights. A lot of settings will be the same for these triggers as well. It's mainly just channels and delay times. So like it'll be 20 seconds, 5 seconds, 30 seconds for different ones. So I'll stop talking and you'll see just me going down the line for each trigger. Alright, so as you'll be able to see, I have the 2 sets on different sides. So the red ones are there. I'll call them red and green ones because that's what they're showing. So make sure the green ones are facing the green ones and the red ones are facing the red ones. So if you're doing like in a circle, it'll be red, green, red, green. And yeah, green will be facing green, red will be facing red. Just remember that. So here's the demonstration of the lights working. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch this. that's about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you if you were looking for this, and I'll see you in the next one.